Sony has one of the most diverse and powerful camera lineups in the world. In this video, we will explore top 5 best Sony cameras, from compact to pro-level mirrorless beasts. All links are given in description. Number 5. Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II is the best APS-C Sony camera for creators, especially vloggers and content producers, because it combines a large 26 megapixels APS-C sensor with Sony's latest BIONZXR processor, giving excellent image quality, sharp detail, and low noise performance, even in low light. Ideal for both photos and video. It shoots 4K video up to 60 frames per second with oversampled detail and supports 10-bit recording, which means richer colors and smoother grading in post-production. Its high-density autofocus ensures fast, reliable subject tracking, while real-time IAF keeps faces sharp during movement. The fully articulating screen and creator-friendly features like cinematic vlog setting and vertical shooting support make framing and social media content easy. Lightweight and portable, the ZV-E10 Mark II also excels at audio capture thanks to its built-in 3-capsule mic and external mic support, a huge plus for vloggers and storytellers. Number 4. Sony FX2. The Sony Cinema Line FX2 is the best hybrid Sony cameras, especially for creators who want serious video and photo power in one body, as it shines as a true hybrid powerhouse because it blends top-tier cinematic video features with serious still photo capability in a single camera body. It uses a 33 megapixels full-frame back-illuminated sensor, delivering rich detail and wide dynamic range in both photos and 4K video, meaning your video footage and high-resolution images share the same excellent image quality and color science. For filmmakers, the FX2 offers professional-grade 4K recording, 10-bit internal codecs, dual-base ISO, customizable log profiles, and up to 13 hours of continuous 4K recording thanks to its efficient heat management system. Unlike many cinema-focused cameras, it also includes a tiltable electronic viewfinder and a dedicated stills mode, letting you quickly switch between photo and video workflows without missing a beat. This unique combination of cinema-level video features, powerful stills performance, hybrid workflows, and ergonomic design makes the FX2 a standout choice for creators who want one camera for both worlds. Number 3. Sony A1 Mark II. The Sony A1 Mark II stands at the top of Sony's camera lineup thanks to its exceptional still photo performance and cutting-edge technology. It features a 50.1 megapixels full-frame stacked sensor paired with Sony's powerful BIONZXR processor and dedicated AI unit, delivering incredibly sharp images with rich detail and superb color accuracy across a wide range of lighting conditions. This sensor also offers up to 15 stops of dynamic range, giving photographers outstanding control over highlights and shadows. For action, sports, and wildlife shooting, the A1 Mark II delivers blackout-free, continuous shooting at up to 30 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. Its advanced real-time recognition AF locks onto eyes and subjects with remarkable precision, supported by a vast autofocus coverage area. Additionally, improved in-body image stabilization helps keep handheld shots sharp, while features like pre-capture and enhanced EVF make shooting intuitive and reliable in all conditions. Thanks to this blend of speed, resolution, autofocus excellence, and professional-grade imaging, the A1 Mark II remains Sony's best choice for photographers demanding top-tier stills performance. Number 2. Sony FX3. The Sony FX3 is built first and foremost for filmmakers and videographers, combining professional cine features in a compact, user-friendly body. It offers 4K video recording up to 120 frames per second, letting you shoot smooth, slow-motion footage without sacrificing quality, all with rich, cinematic color thanks to Sony's S-Cinetone profile, inspired by high-end cinema cameras. Its 10-bit internal recording and 16-bit raw output over HDMI provides superb flexibility for color grading and post-production workflows, essential for high-end video projects. The full-frame sensor delivers excellent low-light performance and shallow depth-of-field look, while 5-axis in-body image stabilization ensures smooth, handheld footage, even without a gimbal. The FX3 also excels in real-world shooting with fast autofocus, reliable subject tracking, and excellent heat management for extended recording sessions without overheating. Plus, features like attachable XLR audio inputs make it a complete tool for serious video creators. Overall, its combination of cinematic video quality, professional recording options, handling, and reliability makes the FX3 a top choice for videography. Number 1. Sony A7 Mark V. The Sony A7 Mark V shines as Sony's most versatile mirrorless camera, blending excellent image quality, fast performance, and powerful video features in one body. At its heart is a 33 megapixels full-frame sensor with a new partially stacked design, and Sony's Bionz XR2 processor with integrated AI, giving sharper photos, faster readout, and intelligent autofocus that tracks people and animals with remarkable accuracy. For photographers, it delivers blackout-free continuous shooting up to 30 frames per second, high dynamic range, and reliable autofocus even in low light. Great for portraits, street, wildlife, and events. Video creators benefit from oversampled 7K, 4K, 60p recording, 4K, 120p in APSC, and advanced color profiles like S-Cinetone, making it capable of cinematic footage straight out of camera. A 7 Mark V also improves in-body image stabilization, ergonomic design, extended battery life, and modern connectivity for streaming and fast file transfer. Because of this perfect balance of stills power, video capability, autofocus intelligence, and usability, the Sony A7 Mark V truly stands out as Sony's best all-around camera. Subscribe, and if you're looking best lens for your Sony camera, check out this video.